Let's start by looking at where Solana stands today and what analysts are predicting for its future. Currently, Solana is trading around $153, and the forecasts for the end of 2025 are all over the map. Some analysts see a possible range between $150 and $300, with a bullish scenario pushing it closer to $250 if everything goes right. Others are more cautious, suggesting an average of about $165, with the upper limit near $181. There are even more conservative voices that peg Solana's price closer to $140. These predictions all hinge on several factors, including key network upgrades, broader adoption, and the flow of institutional money. As we move forward, let's break down what it would actually mean for Solana to hit a new all-time high. When we talk about Solana hitting a new all-time high, or ATH, we're not just talking about a small price bump. Solana's previous ATH was around $294, depending on which peak you count. So for Solana to set a new record, it would need to climb well above its current price, almost doubling from where it stands today. This isn't just about reaching a new local high, it's about surpassing a significant milestone that represents the peak of market optimism and demand. Understanding this context is key as we look at what could drive Solana higher and what might hold it back. Let's explore the main drivers that could push Solana toward or even beyond its previous ATH by the end of 2025. Several factors could help Solana reach a new ATH by 2025. First, ecosystem growth is crucial. Expanding DeFi, NFTs, gaming, and dApps on Solana can boost both utility and demand. Next, technical improvements and network upgrades are vital, especially if Solana can address its reliability issues and scale effectively. Institutional interest could also play a big role, especially if ETFs or futures get approved and regulations become clear. Finally, if the broader crypto market rallies, Solana could ride that wave. On the flip side, there are real risks: global macro conditions, regulatory uncertainty, and fierce competition from other blockchains. Plus, Solana's past network outages have hurt its reputation. To surpass the previous ATH, the uplift needs to be strong, about double the current price. Overly optimistic forecasts might not pan out if execution or adoption lag. So, will Solana actually hit a new all-time high by the end of 2025? Looking at all the factors, the base case suggests Solana could end up somewhere between $150 and $300, with $200 to $250 being plausible if things go well. A bullish scenario: if upgrades succeed, institutional money flows in, and the crypto market rallies, Solana could retest or even surpass its previous ATH, possibly reaching $300 or more. However, if conditions are unfavorable, it might just stagnate or see only modest gains. In summary, while it's possible for Solana to hit a new ATH by 2025, it's less likely than more moderate outcomes unless the market enters a strong bull phase. The probability of just hitting the old ATH is low to moderate, but not out of reach if everything aligns.